Good morning, guys! It is Thursday, last working day of the week, and we will have a really long weekend. Holiday bukas hanggang Monday. So 4 days siya. And yes, I'm just waiting for my coffee na hindi na siya ganun kainit. And then I have 2 Skyflakes right here. One I will have for breakfast, and then one I will take sa work para gawin kong snack. I haven't been making smoothie for quite a while now kasi sabi na Dan, medyo ayaw niya muna mag-smoothie kasi ayaw niya na magsawa sa smoothie. So, rest muna kami sa smoothie and then we will get back to it. It's gonna be a cold day today. Tapos mamayang gabi, we will have dinner with the girls and yung mga asawa nila. So, yeah. Binasa ko yung buhok ko. So, hinintay ko lang siya na ma-dry fully before ko siya i-iron. But, my outfit of the day is this top that I got from H&M. And then, my jeans, my pants from Danny Minogue, Target. And then, I will be wearing my coat today. Yung binili ko from Bordeaux. It's not gonna be super cold today. I still need a thick coat. But, that coat is perfect for today kasi hindi siya ganun kalamig. I will just have my coffee. Oh, pwede pala ako hindi magdala ng Skyflakes kasi I'll bring this. Half of the Kinder Egg na yung binili namin na Dan nung nag-shopping kami. Hindi ko pa rin siya naubos. Alam niyo naman, hindi ako ganun kamahilig sa chocolate. Ubusin sana siya na Dan kagabi. Sabi ko, pwede ko bang baunin yan bukas? Sabi niya, okay. Meron siyang malaking piece na inanong dito. Kakainin niya sana. Tapos kinontrol niya yung sarili niya, guys. Kinontrol niya. Ay, kawawa naman si Daddy Boy. Tumakbo kasi siya kagabi. Tapos pagdating niya, naligo. Tapos after niya maligo, he opened the fridge and then ate like siguro mga half nito. Oh, by the way, guys, I have a package. Let me show you. Binigay sa akin to ni Trish from Philippines. So, galing siya ng Pilipinas. Tapos, pumunta siya dito sa Australia. And then, she sent this to me. Sobrang ganda ng handwriting niya. Grabe. Razel. And then, as in, I'm not gonna show you guys the card. But like, there. Oh, ang ganda ng card. Super thank you, Trish. And then, she sent me. Yung sabi niya sa akin, bibigyan niya ako ng nail polishes kasi she's not using it. Or parang meron ata siyang doble nung nail polish na sinabi niya sa akin. So, I have here 5 na hindi ko pa na-open. I received this yesterday. Yes. Pinasend ko siya sa P.O. Box ng office ng kuya na Dan. Tapos, yeah, hinatid dito ng kuya niya. Sobrang sweet ng kuya niya. And then, guys, aside from the nail polishes, she gave me this. Yung favorite coffee ko from the Philippines. Wala to dito eh. Yung brown and creamy. You guys. I'm so happy. Like, pagka-receive ko sa kanya, hindi ko nakita yung card kasi si Dan yung nag-open. So, yung card, nilagay niya sa counter. Tapos, ito lang yung coffee na nakita ko. And sobrang saya ko kasi ang dami. Tingnan niyo. Dami coffee! Oh my gosh! Uubusin ko muna yung 3-in-1 ko, tapos ito na agad-agad. And then, ito hindi ko pa siya in-open kasi sabi na Dan, you need to film that. Si Dan sobrang supportive na. Sabi niya, you need to film that. Open that on camera. So, wait. Yeah, I got 30 minutes. 30 minutes and almost ready na ako. Kailangan ko na lang i-ano yung buhok ko at saka yung lipstick ko. And, well, yung lipstick ko ginagawa ko naman siya sa car. Anyway, bakit ako sinisipon? Guys, na-open ko yung mga nail polishes. Ito yung binigay niya sa akin. Meron tayong 5 dito. First one is the Sally Hansen Miracle Gel Top Coat. I cannot wait to use this. Gagamitin ko siya sa paa ko. Kasi, wala na talaga akong time na mag-ano ng nail polish. Wala na talaga akong time na mag-paint ng nails ko. Pero toes ko, hindi ko siya pinapa-paint sa iba. Ako na lang yung gumagawa kasi sandali lang naman yun. And then, Sally Hansen Complete Salon Manicure. Ganito yung mga shade. Sabi niya, meron daw magandang pang-wedding. Kaya lang na-receive ko to, tapos na eh. Pero okay pa rin. Thank you so much. I still can use that on my toes. And then this one, Sally Hansen Hardest Nails. Meron ako na to, pero ibang color obviously. And yeah, sobrang ganda niyan. And then ito, yung Dry Quick nail color. Ganyan. Ang ganda, diba? I like it. Thank you so much. Thank you. And sobrang sweet na note. Salamat din. Sobrang ganda ng penmanship niya. As in pa. Akala ko nung una, tinype sa computer. Ang ganda pa ng card. Love. Thank you. Get ready for work. I think I have 10 minutes. Are you ready?
Alright.
Wow. Dito kami sa Higgs. Nagpila kami guys. Sobrang haba ng pila. Cutting! Oo, ang haba. Yan. Ito. Gusto ni Dan milk chocolate.
Ito.
Bilhan na natin ng malaki dahil. Pinakamalaki na.
Isang milk at saka isang dark.
Or maybe just get the small one. Ah, okay. Ito milk. And then, ito na lang. Tapos dalawahin ko na lang siguro.
May mini eggs.
Ano ba to? Dark. Milk. Ito.
Yeah, milk.
Okay. Yan na lang din. Ito na lang bibilihin ko kay Dan. Nag-expect si Dan eh. Nakabili ako ng chocolate. Tinago ko sa bag ko. Dito na si Madam. Tingnan nyo. Sexy. Kaloka.
Oo nga yun. Sexy ako.
Natago ko yung chocolate dito. Nagkasya. Sabi ko kay Dan, hindi ko siya bibili ng chocolate kasi hindi naman siya bata. Sabi pa niya, yung yung white chocolate. Pa-white.
Gusto niya yung chocolate?
For Easter daw.
Milk or white?
Ano ba? Magkaiba ba yun?
Hindi yung kaiba.
Magkaiba ba yung milk at saka white? Di ba white yung milk?
Yung white chocolate yung brown. Yeah, milk chocolate brown. Oo. Sabi mo kanina milk chocolate.
Sabi, white. Akala ko pagkapareho lang yung white at saka milk.
Yung
Kasi milk white yun.
Milk white.
Hala, mali. Eh di wow.
Gusto niya,
Milk lahat ng binili ko. White pala yung Okay lang yan.
Parang sa naman lasa nun.
Wala ka na. Oo nga. Pareho na ba? Okay. Okay na.
Yung white.
Ay, di wow. Dito kami sa Manila Trading. Si Ana nandun. Nainis na si Ana. Mukha niya. Offline kasi. Hintayin namin siya. Tapos after, pupunta kami sa $1 chicken.
Bakit nila siya magpadala? Yung long weekend. Kailan pa nila marireceive?
Hindi ko alam, Day. Yung akin, kasi bank transfer?
Oo. Sa akin, pick up.
Ano yan?
Pick up video. Pupunta yung sister ko sa video.
Pero kapag sinend mo, sa online or dapat
Online.
ka punta,
Oo.
yeah. Kasi yung ginawa ko, niregister ko na lang yung bank account ng kapatid ko sa PayPal ko. Para diretso na. Dito kami kakain, Electra House. Kala ko si Neil. Sabi ko, ang dami naman dala ni Neil. Dito. Pupunta si Neil at saka si dito. Dito kami sa The Gallery. Kasi puno yung kanina. What is that? Maganda! Yung sa akin, tingnan mo, yellow. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Tinitingnan namin yung settings ng camera. Okay, maganda. Yeah. Yung lighting. Pag-up. We got food. Chicken tenders. Basta lumpia. Tsaka chips. Yun lang. Jordan. Wait ako photo. Tingnan niyo yung mukha ni Dan. Wait. Parang siya, Day? Ayaw niya? Parang siya si Koala. Koala. Danny boy. Hello kasi, Dan. What are you doing? You look cute, Dan.
At least my car's hanging out. The bottom's a bit straight.
Face. Natural face. Nag-comment niya ka Jordan, Dan. Sabi niya, Jordan always look grumpy. Oh, yeah. He always looks angry, but he's not. He's the best guy in the world. It's the same with Dan. They think Dan's so grumpy. He's not grumpy at all. I'm the grumpy one, and you are the grumpy one as well. I'm the bitch one. I am the grumpy one. I'm the big one. Yeah, they're so good. Like, the hobbies are so good. Yes, no, because viewers think you guys are grumpy. Yeah. It's the same with her and Jordan.
Filipinas are moody. White people are cool, calm, relaxed.
Yeah,
True.
that's really accurate. True, yeah, that's so true.
The Archers, nice guy.
Yeah, that's so true. That is true. Yeah, I agree. married.
Guy. Yeah, Jordan is a nice guy.
Yeah.
And then they like, oh, they're
Yeah,
the best guy.
just because they don't like vlogging doesn't mean they're grumpy.
Yeah.
They're just not used to this.
They like this. They're like one of the best. Like this.
So
I'm
good.
serious. Yes.
Ang ingay! Ang ingay! Dito kami sa Electra House! Ang ingay! So ingay! Bumalik kami dito para sa chicken, $1 lang. Meron silang $1 chicken every Thursday. Pumunta kami dito kanina kaya lang puno. So lumipat kami and nawabalik na kami. Is it just here? Yeah. Grabe over naman. Ang ingay ng ano nila. Uy, toilet? Huh?
Why are we vlogging? Where are we from?
Thank you.
Have a lovely night.
You too, thanks.
Beautiful eyes.
Beautiful eyes daw. Contacts daw. We're deciding kung ilang chicken yung bibilihin namin. How many? 20? She wants 15 for just herself. No, I'm getting...
I think it's a lot of photos of just here, of you.
Yeah.
And it's not the worst angle, it's just like all your cheeks because you're like shooting. Like she's sitting down, you've got your cheeks.
Go vlog.
How many are you getting?
20 for us.
20? I'm gonna eat a lot.
Now you will. Wow. Tingnan ito guys. Ay, umalis na si Kuya. That's it. 20 and 20. Hello. We're walking. Papunta sa car. So, tapos na kami mag-dinner. Hindi ako nakapag-vlog ng masyado kanina kasi sobrang ingay dun sa Electra House. Grabe. Hindi niyo ako marinig, but I ate 6 chicken wings. How many did you eat, babe?
6.
6 as well?
6.
Wow. No, lie.
6.
That's a lie. You ate 11. You finished the whole box. And in one box, merong 11 ata yun. So, yeah, $1 lang siya guys every Thursday. So, like, you know, it's good to hang out with friends kasi $1 lang. Tapos their drinks is really not that expensive. How much did you pay for my Moscato?
Do you reckon they're expensive?
Well, the last time...
The beer Moscato was $20.
Are you serious?
Yeah, took $19.
Is it?
Yeah.
But the lemon bitters last time was only like $4.20.
Yeah. I don't know. Just
How much is Moscato normally?
I don't know.
Oh.
Doesn't make sense.
I had 2
I like
glasses of Moscato today. So, yung isa sa Electra House and then yung isa dun sa isang pub. Where's your car, babe?
Come on.
Guys, ibibigay ko na kay Dan yung Easter gift ko sa kanya. Hindi niya alam kasi wala siyang ka-idea. Nag-usap kami ni Kat. Sabi ko, kasi alam ko na makikita niya yung dala-dala ni Kat. Ito. And buti na lang natago ko siya sa bag ko. Nagkasya lahat dito. Pakita ko muna sa inyo kung ano yung binili ko. So, I got him this. Lalagay ko siya sa bag. And ibibigay ko siya sa kanya ngayon. And fail pa kasi ano, yung gusto niya pala white chocolate. Pero yung binili ko lahat milk chocolate. But it should be alright. Kasi sabi niya sobrang ganda daw nitong brand na to. And nung nakita niya yung bag ni Kat, sabi niya, buti pa si Kat mayroon. Buti pa si Neil mahal ni Kat. Ganun. Kasi sobrang lungkot niya, guys. Hindi naman sobrang lungkot. Pero hindi siya humihingi ng gift at all. And ngayon lang, Easter lang. Sabi niya, favorite holiday niya daw. Kasi meron ng chocolate. Sabi ko sa kanya, hindi kita binilhan. Before pa, ngayon, sabi ko sa kanya, hindi kita bibilhan. Kasi we don't celebrate Easter. Like, you know, sa atin, hindi naman tayo nagsa-celebrate ng ganun. And sabi ko sa kanya, hindi kita bibilhan. Kasi hindi ka naman bata. Pang bata lang yung mga ganyan. Tapos sabi niya, bibilhan mo ako. Sabi niya, bibilhan mo ako bukas kasi magkikita kayo nila Kat. Pupunta ka ng city, bibilhan mo ako bukas. Sabi ko, nope. Hindi kita bibilhan. Niwala siya, guys. And kanina, as in, nalungkot talaga siya. Sobrang tawang-tawa si Kat. Kasi legit nalungkot talaga siya. Ano, nakita niya na si Kat meron. Tapos, ako wala akong dala-dalang bag. So, lalagay ko siya ngayon sa bag. And ibibigay natin siya kay Dan.
You got me one. Thank you.
Open it.
You lied. I want to open it on Easter.
No, open it. Just look
Give me
what.
this.
Just look what's in the bag.
Thanks, babe.
You're welcome. You don't have to open the actual chocolate. It's in the bag.
Milk chocolate, a good choice. This is the white one. I can tell.
No, I actually thought you said. I actually thought the whole time that milk and white is the same.
That's okay. That's all good.
I'm so
Thank you.
sorry.
That's alright. Thanks, babe.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You believed me.
I did.
You did. Thank you.
Thanks, babe.
You're welcome. Yay!
You got me again.
You got it. I got you again. What are you watching?
Football.
Football. Are they playing today?
Yeah, it's not on TV, but it's on live on Telstra.
Oh, yes. Are they playing today? Port?
No.
Oh, okay.
She has a phone in her butt. Like, that's where you stick your phone, in your butthole.
I put it in there because I was carrying the chocolate and carrying the camera on the other hand, and I don't want to go back and get my phone. So I just put it in there. That's how you do it.
I want a divorce.
Nanonood sila ng footy sa phone niya. Yes. Higa ako dito. Ito yung binili namin sa Big W. Ang ganda guys. Super soft. Maganda siya pang winter, pang fall. Kasi it keeps you warm. And yeah, higa ako dito. I'm pretty sure makakatulog ako. Ayaw pa niya pumunta sa bed eh. Dito na muna daw siya after na ng footy. So, dito lang muna ako. Anyway, close ko yung vlog. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please like, please subscribe. I hope to see you guys tomorrow. Do not forget, be good. Good night. Good night. Good night. Are they winning? Are they?
No.
Oh.
Yeah, they're alright. They got control. Some goals.
Oh, wow.